several strategies that can help you control your class and maintain a positive and productive learning environment. 1. Set clear expectations. Start the class by laying out your expectations and guidelines for behavior. Make sure that your students understand what you expect from them and what the consequences will be if they do not follow the rules. 2. Build positive relationships. Take time to get to know your students and build positive relationships with them. This will help you to understand their needs and concerns, and make it easier to manage their behavior. 3. Use positive reinforcement, instead of just focusing on negative consequences for bad behavior. Try to focus on positive reinforcement for good behavior. This can include things like praise, rewards, and positive feedback. 4. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to managing behavior in the classroom. Make sure that you are consistent in your expectations, consequences, and rewards. 5. Use a variety of teaching strategies. Keep your students engaged by using a variety of teaching strategies, such as group work, discussions, and hands-on activities. This can help to reduce boredom and disruptive behavior. 6. Address issues early. Address any issues with behavior or discipline early on, before they escalate. This can help to prevent more serious problems down the road. 7. Use nonverbal cues. Nonverbal cues such as eye contact, gestures, and facial expressions can be powerful tools in managing behavior. For example, you can use a firm look to indicate that a student needs to stop a behavior. 8. Have a plan for transitions. Transitions between activities can be a time when students become restless and disruptive. Having a clear plan for transitions, such as a signal or a countdown, can help to keep students on track. 9. Use humor. Humor can be a great way to diffuse tension and build rapport with your students. However, make sure that your humor is appropriate and not offensive. 10. Provide structure and routines. Providing structure and routines can help to create a sense of order and predictability in the classroom. This can help to reduce anxiety and stress and make it easier for students to focus on learning. 11. Use technology wisely. Technology can be a great tool for enhancing learning, but it can also be a distraction. Make sure that you have clear guidelines for when technology is allowed and when it is not, and make sure that you monitor its use. 12. Stay calm and in control. It's important to stay calm and in control when dealing with behavior issues in the classroom. Take a deep breath and try to stay neutral and non-judgmental when addressing the behavior. Remember that creating a positive and productive learning environment takes time and effort, but it is worth it in the end. By using a variety of strategies and techniques, you can help to control your class and create a space where students can thrive and learn.